Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new lesson more on Excel. In this section, we will discuss about selection, autofill, merge cell, moving and copying content, and formula. Microsoft Excel is an electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet contains data and information arranged in rows and columns. It is also known as worksheet. A workbook is made up of one or more worksheets. By default, there are 3 worksheets in a workbook. Selection. You can select a cell, a block of cells, a row or a column or several rows and columns at the same time. When you select a cell, a black border will appear around a cell indicating that it is an active cell. Autofill. Autofill is the easiest method to fill data in cells automatically. It is used to fill a series of number and text combination and dates or time periods based on the pattern in Excel. It can be created in ascending or descending order. Merge cells. Merging cells means combining 2 or more adjacent cells into a single cell. Double click on the Excel icon, then you will get Excel window. Here you can see basic components of Excel and you can see columns. Columns are labeled as A, B, C, D, etc. and rows are labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. To select a single column, click on the column heading at the top of the column, then the entire column will be highlighted. To select a single row, click on the row heading, then the entire row will be highlighted. To select the entire worksheet, click on Select All button that is located on the upper left corner of your worksheet. Now we'll discuss autofill. Autofill is the easiest method to fill a series of numbers or text in cells automatically. For example, type 1 and 2 and select the cells. And drag the fill handle. Then you will get output like this. Autofill can be created in ascending and descending order. Let us try with another example. Select these cells and drag the fill handle. Here, autofill arranges the numbers in ascending and descending order. You can also enter the name of months and days instead of numbers. January and February, Monday, Tuesday. Select the cells and drag. MS Excel displays the series of months and days. Now we'll discuss about merging. You all know merging means combining 2 or more adjacent cells into a single cell. From the Home tab, under the Alignment group, you can see different merge options. Merge and center, merge across, merge cells and unmerge cell. Merge across is used to merge the cell across only. Merge and center is used to merge cells with the contents aligned to the center. Unmerge cells is used to remove the merging effect. Moving and copying the cell contents. Cut and paste options are used to move the contents from one cell to another. Copy and paste options are used to copy the contents from one cell to another. Here I created two columns, birds and animals, and you can see one cell contains holes, and I want to move these holes to animal column. For that, select the whole cell and click on cut option and select the destination cell and click on paste option. Now the holes moved to animal column. And also I want to copy the content of birds column to another location. For that, select the cells and click on copy option and choose the destination cell and click on paste option. Now the column birds copied into another location. Navigation through worksheets. To navigate through worksheet, click on the sheet tab at the bottom of the workbook or use shortcut key. Control plus page up is used to navigate sheet upward, and control plus page down is used to navigate sheet downwards. Formula in MS Excel. Formula is a combination of numbers, variables and operators that perform arithmetic, logical and text operations. Creating formula. While creating a formula, the following points need to be remembered. A formula always begins with equal sign. The elements are separated by operators. A formula cannot contain spaces. Types of formula. There are three types of formula: text formula, numeric formula and logical formula. Text formula. Text formula is used for combining two text values. The ampersand character is used to join text values. Numeric formula. Numeric formula allows you to perform numeric calculation by using arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiplication and division, etc. Logical formula. Logical formula allows you to compare two or more relational values by using comparison operators less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, etc. and returns a logical value that is true or false. Let us try with formula. For that, select one cell and type equal sign 500 minus 200. Then press enter. Now you get 300. This is the way to enter a formula in one cell. Now we'll discuss about three types of formula. First one, text formula. For that, select A1 and type Abraham and select A2 and type Lincoln. And cell A4 we will type the formula. So select A4 and type equal to A1 ampersand A2. Ampersand is the character that is used to join text values. So you can see the cell A4 displays Abraham Lincoln. Now we'll try with numeric formula. Numeric formula allows you to perform arithmetic operations. For that, select A1 and type 600 and select A2 and type 200. And here we will add two cell values. For that, type formula A1 plus A2. So arithmetic addition is used now, so you get 800. Next we will try with logical formula. Logical formula is used to compare two or more relational values using comparison operator like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, etc. So select A4 and type equal to and type formula A1 greater than A2. So that condition is true. 600 is greater than 200. So it will return true. And we can type equal to A1 less than A2. So that is false. So it will return false. Logical formula always returns a logical value, that is true or false.